This video is going to show you how you can add and invite a second owner on your property so that they can do their own MTD submissions on the pilot. And the first thing you are going to need to do is make sure that we've got the ownership set up. So you want to head into your ownership section, make sure that you've got all your portfolios added and all of your owners. If you need to add any portfolios, you can do so here. If we look at my portfolio, which I've called joint owners, you can see that James owns 50% and Helen owns 50%. If I then also go back to the ownership section, you can also check your beneficial owners by looking at this second tab called beneficial owners, and it will tell you which one you are, and it'll have that blue sign saying you, which to indicate that you're logged in and it's your account. But it's Helen who I want to invite so that Helen can actually make her own MTD submissions for her portion of this revenue. So first thing we need to do is we need to invite Helen as a user. And to do that, you just go up and you click your email address and go into my profile. And then if you scroll down, you will see a section called add a user to your account. And we can just go into here, and then it will allow you at the top to select any of your beneficial owners ready to invite them. So I can select Helen, autofill the details, and then I just need to enter a phone number. And really importantly, you need to make sure that the role is joint owner. So change it from shared access to joint owner. And then it will ask you to actually confirm which joint owner this is. And obviously it is going to be Helen Brown. And so I can click invite. Now, once you've invited them, you'll see the status down here. If you've already invited the user, so obviously from this situation, I've done it where Helen wasn't invited, but if you've already invited that user, then you will see them listed just like I do here, but they will probably currently be shared access. So all you need to do, rather than invite them, is you just need to click on that pencil icon, and then you would just change the role to joint owner. Once you've changed the role to joint owner, and once they log in, they can then go into the MTD page, follow through the steps, and connect their HMRC account to their tax statement, just the way you've done yours already. Anyway, I hope that was helpful, but if you need any help, just let us know.